Welcome back to Max's Garage Mahal. Today we are going to be talking about Power Owl Lithium extreme long lasting batteries. Now, these things do not get recharged. They will last you many years on light duty usage like these clocks. And I may go ahead and put these clocks back into various time zones again. But as you can see, normally when I build the clock, whether it's for a client or just for my display, I always set them like they come from the factory, and that's 10-2. Now, as you can see, some of these have been on various times, and some of those batteries are 3 or 4 years old. Actually, most of them are probably not more than a year old, and they're all dead, as you can see. So, we may go ahead and change those up, but what I want to talk to you about is these are very high capacity batteries. I'm going to show you a pretty little picture off their site. Isn't that pretty? I mean, that's a good looking battery right there. Lithium battery. And what I like about it is it has 3 layers of safety in there. Supposedly have a leak proof design. I'll be the judge of that, because not only am I going to put some in some clocks, and so far I only bought 12. So I'm going to put in some of these things which just sit out here in the shop, and basically they're not really being used. I'm going to put them in some stuff and use them. I'm going to put them to the test. But right now, really want to say I really look forward to trying these things, because I'm so tired of batteries lasting a year, year and a half, 2 years at that. And these clocks don't take anything to run them. So I mean, basically you're just throwing away money buying these things. Now here's some batteries that I bought, and they were had some really good reviews. I'm not going to tell you the name of them, but I'm going to see if I can pull this off. I just got through charging these things till they all showed green lights. So let me see if I can do this and get it where you can see it. Alright, that had 1.01 after coming off the charger for, actually I left them on overnight, which is not good. It's not bad, it's just not good. And that one can't even tell it's been charged at all, and they all put on a green light. So it tells you that the charger thinks it's good. Oh, there's one that's 1.31. That's right where it ought to be for a nickel metal hydride battery. And here this one is 124. So one out of the 4 of those, and I bought 24. Now let's do this. Alright, I gotta get a knife out here. Okay, kiddies, look away, because I'm going to take my pocket knife out here. And this is my Case 053. I've had these things for over 35 years. Pretty good knives. I like them. And I'm not sponsored by Case. It's just I like these. It has a Zytel handle, or plastic if you prefer, and a regular blade other than that. So let's test one of these things. That should be all we need on these, but let's do at least one and see if we can get this up here. I don't know how I had my hand on that thing, but let's see what we can do here. Now this is a AA sub AAA. 181. That's good for anybody's AA. I should go find some AA's to test real quick. And I've got some in a drawer. These take AA's right here. Matter of fact, if I like these, I've got 2 dozen of AA's ordered, because I've got so many remote controls. It's just plain ridiculous. But I use a lot of AA's, and I use a lot of AA's. So this is a lot of talking. Ain't getting a lot done. It's like I'm trying to stretch a video. Not really. It's just that I didn't really mean to shoot this video right now. I really meant to shoot it and be, you know, like a really nice video. But I think most people would care more about whether this stuff works rather than pretty. 181. 181. So all four of those had 181. If you'll give me a second, I'll go get some more new double A's. Be right back. Okay, we're back. This time I went ahead, there's that requisite phone call I always have to get. This time I went ahead and cut them out of the packages. So let's see what we got here. This is the Sunbeam Super Heavy Duty. Super Heavy Duty. Alright. And the gold over here is, they are the Sunbeam Alkaline. So let's put one of each up here real quick. Let's see if I can figure out a way to get this to work with two of these puppies in my hand. Alright, so here is, my goodness, I got that all twisted up. Y'all got to be liking this video. See me all bumfuzzled here, and like I said, I had no idea I was going to shoot this. I've got some plans to do it real pretty like, and I was going to do the AA and AAA together, but the AAA hasn't come in yet, and I don't know why these things can get so twisted up. But anyway, y'all, I want you to fast forward through any of this crap that don't mean anything to you, because believe me, it don't mean any more to me than it does to you as far as talking. I'd rather just show you the product and how well it works, or how it doesn't. And by the way, I'm putting starter motor in my truck, so I've got dirty fingernails here. Boy, it better be better than that. It's wasted that money. I need me one of those overhead camera setups, or a cameraman or somebody like that. Would even be better. 145. That ain't so hot for a new battery. Let's go ahead and test both of that same pair there out of the package. 145. 145. Now let's check the Super Duties here. 152 and 152. So I'm going to tell you right now, go back to this power owl right here. This is the Lithium, and it is out of the box 181. I'm going to tell you right now, it may not do what I want it to do, but I really think it will. And here's the thing. If they don't, considering I don't owe that company or anybody else, I use so many batteries, and I test a lot of batteries. The reason why I do that, because that keeps you from buying stuff you really don't want or need. But if these things don't pan out, I'm going to come back and tell you about it. But right now, I like the looks of it. So I'm going to give it a temporary thumbs up. And hopefully if you try them and you like them, put a comment below and let me know. If you buy them, you try them, you don't like them, you don't do what they think they should, put a comment below and let me know. Because I'm going to tell you something. I don't know if the company will see this, but I can say this. If they don't do what they're supposed to do, I'm going to contact that company. I'm going to let Power Owl know y'all going to have to step up and do a better job. So I appreciate you guys coming by Max's Garage Mahal. And as we always say at Max's Garage Mahal, y'all come back and see me now, you hear?